Hey guys, welcome back to the Varstrom channel. Let's check this out. The compact but powerful VD18MT display. It built by Varstrom, featuring a 1.45-inch IPS full-view touchscreen. Small screen but big feature. The VD18 mount series actually includes 4 versions for a specific protocol: UART and CAN by BAFANG, and TONGSHENG. ABS plus PC shell. IP67 waterproofing, and works with 36 volts, 48 volts, and 52 volt systems. Want to see what else it can do? Let's jump straight into the VD18MT feature quick tour. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn the unit on or off. If a startup password has been set, the display will only operate normally after the correct password is entered. You can swipe left or right on the screen to switch between different interfaces. The display interfaces include the standard interface, minimal interface, information interface, and Bluetooth interface. In manual assist mode, you can press the up or down buttons to switch assist levels and adjust the assist ratio. The demonstration here shows the assist levels under the TONGSHENG UART protocol. If the default setting is 5 levels, it means level 1 is the lowest and level 5 is the highest. In the information interface, you can swipe up or down on the screen to view trip A, trip B, time A, time B, ODO, range, average, and max information. In the standard interface, a single press of the power button will cycle the main display through speed and mileage information. The sequence goes from trip A to total time, and then loops back to trip A. Press and hold the up button for 2 seconds to turn the bike light on or off. This function requires controller support. Press and hold the down button for 2 seconds to activate the walk assist mode. Release the down button to exit the walk assist mode. Press and hold the down button and the power button at the same time to activate the 25 km/h speed limit. Repeat the same action to disable it. Before connecting to Bluetooth, the Bluetooth icon will appear in gray. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and open the Ebike app. Tap Scan for device, find the display you want to connect to, and select it. When the Bluetooth pairing request dialog appears, enter the 6-digit pairing key shown on the display's Bluetooth interface, then tap Pair. After Bluetooth pairing is successful, the display will show a blue Bluetooth icon, and the Ebike app will enter the main interface. This is the navigation display in Bluetooth mode. In the Ebike app's main page, tap Navi to open the map, select your destination, and follow the on-screen steps. Then switch the display to the Bluetooth interface. The navigation screen will already be waiting for you. If you need to unpair the Bluetooth connection, go to More on the Ebike main page. Then open Device Info to remove the paired display. From the main interface, swipe down from the top of the screen to enter the menu settings. In this view, you can adjust the meter's parameters directly through the touchscreen. The available settings include Display, Ebike, Advance, Restore, and Information. To enter the next level menu, press the power button once. The display menu includes Language, System, Brightness, and Auto Off. To return to the previous menu, double press the power button. The e-bike settings include Power on Password, Assist Level, Wheel Size, Voltage, Battery Indicator, and Power Indicator. To prevent accidental operations, the Advanced menu is usually protected by a default password. Scroll the number wheel and enter 1919 to access Advance. The Advanced settings include Speed Limit, Trip Clear, and ODO Clear. The available options may vary under different protocols, and here we use TONGSHENG UART as the example. The speed limit can be set up to a maximum of 60 km/h, but it may not take effect under 2 conditions: when the 25 km/h speed limit function is on, or when the set maximum speed exceeds the power capability of the motor and controller installed on the bike. Trip Clear resets the trip mileage, while ODO Clear erases the total accumulated mileage. Here is an installation guide. Let's watch the product dimensions. Please note that it can only fit handlebars with a diameter of 22.2 mm. You will need one M310 display screw. Refer to the diagram for the screw assembly, and prepare a crosshead screwdriver next to you. Before tightening the screw, make sure to adjust the display to your desired viewing angle. Once the screw is fully secured, do not forcefully rotate the display, as this may cause damage. Pay attention to the tightening torque. Excessive torque may also damage the display. Use the green marked display cable on the 1T4 cable, and connect both ends by aligning the arrows shown on the connectors. A final tip: our Varstrom after-sales team often receives feedback about displays not working. Before making any conclusions, we recommend using a voltage tester to check the male connector on the 1T4 cable that powers the display. This helps rule out whether insufficient battery voltage is causing the display doesn't work. If the voltage is sufficient and the display still does not turn on, then it can be determined that the display is faulty. We welcome you to like, save, and subscribe to our channel. We also invited you to follow and join the discussion on our Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. We're continuously updating with more video content. If you'd like to learn more about our products, simply search Varstrom on Google and visit us.